Hello guys, welcome to How to Fix Tech. In this video guys, I will show you 3 steps to keep your all the drivers up to date on your Windows 11 or the 10 so that you will not get any kind of error, okay, like blue screen of death error and different errors you may get if your drivers are not up to date. So let's start without wasting our time. So first of all, go to device manager, and the first is inbuilt feature of Microsoft, okay, and you need to go to the driver, like, okay, like each driver you need to navigate and right click it and update driver. Okay, this is the first step to keep all the drivers up to date. In the last method I will also show you the manual ways to update the driver. Okay, so you can see here, as you can see, it's installing the driver. So this is the right way to install the driver. First of all, you can see here it's taking time. It means that it is trying to install the driver. Make sure you are connected to the network. Let's wait for some time. And it's an audio driver. Since it is going on here, we can also navigate. Okay, not, we need to wait here. And the other benefits of keeping your drivers up to date, whichever software you use, it will run faster, it will run smoother, as well as the better performance you will get it. For example, if you are using the headphone and your driver not up to date, you may get the low voice, okay, and not the suitable voice. You can see Windows has successfully updated the driver. So the driver has been installed now successfully. Okay, the update was pending for Realtek audio drivers. Similarly, you can do the same for all. If you are getting this option already installed, it means the driver is already up to date. The main driver you need to look for display. This is responsible for blue screen of death errors. Expand that, and it is already installed. Okay, so this is the first step to install the driver. In the second steps, go to start menu, or you can directly search for check for update here, and updating your Windows is also very useful and handy. You can see driver is available here. Click on download and install, and if you get the view optional drivers here, you can install them. And also this is the way to install the missing driver from your Windows, and also keep your Windows up to date. All the driver will be automatically installed when you keep your Windows up to date. So this is the second method. Okay, so in the third method we will go to browser. Open any browser which you use. I am using here the Dell laptop, so on the search bar I need to type Dell driver download, and open the first link. Put here serial key, or it is also identifying it. So let me open the CMD, and I will show how to get the serial number with the command prompt. Okay, so command prompt is open. You need to type wmic space BIOS space get space serial number. Serial number should be together like this. Okay, and just like, select that and hit enter on your keyboard, and it will copy and then paste it here, and click on search. Click on search, and here you will get the option. Let Dell automatically find the updated driver for you. So click on check for update, and this will find automatic driver for you. If you don't want to check automatic, you can also choose this option, find. Okay, this is the manual way. Also let me, you can see. Okay, it will take some time and you can manually choose, but I recommend you to choose this option, automatically check for update. See, it is trying to detect. It has already detect your product. You can see download option, and Dell Assistant will be downloaded here. Just double click on that, and this video is very useful and very important, guys. If you want to increase your hardware life as well as the Windows life, so these are the three methods to keep them up to date, so that there is no hardware issue as well as the software issues. And also keep your system in the ventilation area, so that the proper air go through and your system should not be hit. It has started now. It's saying new version of application is available and will be installed on this PC. And sometime you will get the, it will redirect this link. Updating your softwares. Okay, so it is taking more time, so I'm stopping the video recording. It will take more some time, so I don't want to waste your time here. So you just need to have patience. Okay, and it will automatically install the the older driver as well as the needed softwares on your Windows. So hope this video is useful for you and your issue has been fixed now. Even you don't have any issues, you can follow these three methods. So thank you, thanks for watching how to fix tech.